My name is Stefana Kozan. I am a Marketing and Communications Officer at IHS. IHS is an institute for urban development studies. I think eMarketeer helped us improve our marketing by giving us a very good overview of the student information cycle. One of the most successful campaigns we had was an SMS campaign we conducted for deadline reminders. So we sent an SMS to all the students who were yet to complete their fellowship application. So that worked really well because people responded and they actually filled it in. Another successful campaign we had was for reaching our Russian contacts. So that has been a target market of ours that hasn't responded too well before, but with eMarketeer we really saw a much better engagement. This is our 60th anniversary, so to celebrate it we are organizing a conference. We wanted to have an app for the event to let participants choose their favorite sessions to attend. Out of 30 parallel sessions, we wanted people to just opt in for the ones that they wish and to have it as a personalized agenda in their app. And we just thought overall it's a nice and professional, easy way to have people give us their options. So everybody got an email, they installed the app, they filled in their profile, so they told us personal information about themselves, and they chose the sessions that they want to attend. They looked for more information about the conference, the venue, the program. They got a personalized agenda, and they will fill in the evaluation forms after the event.
The app is a great way for the conference organizers to get in touch. Matters of logistics, the app is really useful to getting information out to people quickly and discreetly.
Well, I think for me my favorite feature would be the one that was most useful, which was the program. First of all, what they were going to talk about and also what their background was. I think that was interesting for me also. If this is a field I want to continue in, this is absolutely very useful.
Fast, nice, clean, no distraction, and functional in the sense of it served my needs.
That's probably the beauty of it. Someone's caring about me. That's another thing that you go, oh, there's an app, oh, someone cares about how I interact, and it gives you a feeling of connectedness to the event.
If there are any changes of schedules, maybe everything can be coordinated very easily and updated on the app. Instead of like a paper printed thing which is static, the app makes the process really dynamic.
We had about 380 registered guests, out of which 355 installed the app. The opening rate of the email for the installation of the app was over 80%, so that's really good, and the click rate was 60%. All the 355 people that have the app actually sent the form responses to us, so we could see preferences for each and every one of them. I think it's really nice to use eMarketeer for events because you can reach your participants even before you see them. You can get their preferences in fast, smoothly, and that helps you a lot with logistics. As an organizing team, you really can plan your space and your other logistics much better. We would definitely recommend eMarketeer to marketers from all sectors. I think it's a very useful tool if you want to track your prospects, any leads you have. It's really nice to be able to reach them in the right moment with the right information. Definitely also to other higher education marketing and communications specialists. I think it's really nice for the student recruitment process. It helped us a lot, and I'm sure it would help other universities as well.